Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to study about introduction of number system, real numbers, class 9. So in this we are going to study about different types of numbers. So let us start without wasting much time. First of all, I am going to tell you about natural numbers. Natural numbers are numbers starting from 1. Natural numbers are numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. These are also known as counting numbers. These are also known as counting numbers. Then comes whole number. Whole number. If you just add 0 in this, then that all numbers become whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This all are whole numbers. Then integers. Integers. All negative terms, 0 and all positive terms together are called integers. So you can say in natural number, if we add 0, that becomes whole. If we add negative terms, then that becomes integers. Now, next term that we are going to study is a rational number. This all you had learned in lower standard. That's why I am not going to explain this in detail. So what are rational numbers? The numbers which can be returned. The numbers which can be returned in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q. Where? This you need to keep in mind. Where? In the form of P by Q. Where? P and Q are integers. This is very important, guys. P and Q are integers. And Q should not be equals to 0. This is very important. So please keep this in mind, where P and Q should be integers and Q should not be equals to 0. These are all rational numbers. Let me give you some example. Minus 1 by 2, minus 4. Actually minus 4 means minus 4 by 1 only. 0. 0 guys. 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be represented as 0 by 1. So this is also in the form of P by Q. So these all are rational numbers. Okay. Now comes irrational numbers. For irrational numbers, actually we don't have any perfect definition. For irrational numbers, we don't have any perfect definition. So what we are writing? We are writing the number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. But this is neither form, guys. You cannot explain any definition in neither form. So then also we are using that the number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q, that is not correct, but we are using. Or you can use second definition also. The number, you can use that also, the number which cannot be written, or you can use the numbers which are not rational. Which are not rational are irrational numbers. The number which are not rational are irrational numbers. So directly also you can do. Why I am giving you this definition? Because when you will go in class 10, at that time this will be very helpful to you. That's why I am giving you this. Now where the real problem comes in real numbers. When I ask students what are real numbers, what they say me, they say, sir, all rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. Actually they are correct, but that is not the perfect definition of real numbers. So you need to understand what are real numbers. Actually this all numbers, natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational numbers, this all numbers we can represent on a number line. So we can say the real numbers means the numbers which can be represented on a number line are real numbers. Are real numbers. Actually, this all numbers from this to this are real numbers because we can represent all these terms, all these numbers on a number line. So this all are real numbers. So this you need to understand properly, guys. The numbers which can be represented on a number line are real numbers. So this all are real numbers. So this is the introduction part, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like, share and subscribe with your friends also, guys. And you can also join me on Unacademy, guys. In 4 steps you can join me. I am teaching there also. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number and select the goal JEE NEET Foundation NTSC. Use my referral code Galaxy Coaching. That will help you to join my free classes, and that will also help you to get 10% discount on subscription plus subscription. 10% discount on plus subscription. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys.